back to my YouTube channel. This is Banking Me. So this update I have for you today is an investment platform for those people that have been asking me to share about investment, to share an investment platform. So I think this one is okay. This one is good. This is a USDT investment platform for those people that are asking and those people that vote for the USDT investment platform. So this is one for you. So this is how this platform work. If you want to register, you can check below this video, that is on the description of this video. You will see the registration link. So let's see how the platform work. Click on miner. So when you click on miner, you will see the miners here. They have 3 miners and with their daily returns, that is their percentage. You can see it here, here, and here. So if we look very well, you will see that this miner here, when you invest on this miner here, you'll be earning 2.60% on your investment daily. This one you'll be earning 3.30% daily. This one you'll be earning 4.60% daily. And I don't think this investment platform, they promise overhyping. They did not promise you overhyping. They just try do their best to make sure that you get your profits and your money. So this is how it work. For example, let's say you want to invest on this first one. The minimum investment is $100. This is what you're going to do. You are going to deposit. For example, when you deposit, you will click on buy. You will click on buy. So that is what you are going to do. You will click on buy. You will click on buy. So for example, if you want to click, after you click on the buy, you click on the amount of this thing you want to purchase. Either you want to purchase 2 of it or 3 of this, because you can purchase, you can deposit, maybe you deposit $10 maybe 2 times or 3 times. You can buy this particular machine 2 times or 3 times depending on the amount you want to do. So for example, anybody that deposit like $100 into this first machine here, the person will be earning $2.60 every day. $2.60 every day. That is what you are going to be earning every day, every day. And for example, let's say you don't want to do again, then you can click on release. If you don't want to do again, you will click on release. Then your capital will be returned back to your wallet. Your capital and your profit, everything will be returned back to your wallet. Normally your profit, you can withdraw it at any time, so your capital will be back to your wallet. If you go with this one, you'll be earning 3.30% of your money, of your capital, of your investment. While this one you'll be earning 4.60. But one thing about them is that on this first one here, you can only, the minimum investment here is $10 to $1,000. Why this one from $1,001 to $10,000? Why this one from $10,001 to five, I think it's $5 million, $50 million. So that is the amount you can deposit on this, like that. The minimum deposit is $10. So when you make your deposit, the next thing you can you can check your miner here by clicking on my miner. So that is it. Let's say you want to recharge. This is how to recharge your account. Click on recharge here. So when you click on recharge, this is the this thing you are going to make the deposit into. Copy this wallet address and send only USDT TRC20 into it. You can see it here, recharge address USDT TRC20. Immediately you send the money into it, it will appear in your wallet immediately. It will appear in your wallet. Then you can use it to buy whatever you want to buy. If you want to withdraw, click on withdraw here. So when you click on withdraw, you will have to input your withdrawal address. Input your withdrawal address here. So input your withdrawal address, input your trade password, and input this verification you see here, 4447. Then click on confirm. Click on confirm. So that is how to withdraw. So guys, this is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button. Please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time here. So guys, thank you for watching. So see you soon on my next video. See you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now.